The DPWH Beach Awards Committee is convened today. The principal purpose of undertaking the private conference for contract number 25G P00120, supply and installation of Type 4 permanent way in motion for use at the Waybridge Station, Gandagan, Tuba, Benguet. In attendance are the following members of the Beach Awards Committee. Yours truly, the chairperson, Rex B. Paderes. We have here Engineer Arnold Utakwag, present sir. Engineer Frederick O. Malidom, present sir. Madam Carmen Silar Sabal, at the head of the technical working group, Engineer Michael Emanuel, the head of the back secretariat, Engineer Julie Biagcon, Madam Maria Elizabeth Cabeza, Line Lozano, and the NU sir, Engineer Elihemicon M. Lorenzana. Present. We wish also to acknowledge the presence of the following prospective bidders: Mylene Abuel.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am. Rodolfo Abuel. Gabriel Arcillas of Decision. And LV Galindez.
Good morning.
Having determined the presence of a quorum, the Beach Awards Committee meeting is hereby officially convened. With that, we wish to request the technical working group and the back secretariat to present the profile of the project subject of this private conference. And by the way, do we have any attendees through online?
We don't have some.
Wala. Can we now proceed?
First Philippine skills with my husband.
Yes.
Philippine skills.
Madam First Lady.
Okay, no, sige,
Yes, sir.
Please proceed.
before na mag-end yung warranty, ipapakalibrate ulit.
And then, succeeding,
Sa atin lang.
Endorse,
Then-
pagka-endorse and then before
After-
mag-end yung
accept
warranty.
na-
So, dalawang calibration.
Ask questions later, i-ano lang muna.
Okay.
Unless na pag na-present doon, and you can call our attention pag may specific na
Apo.
nagka-calibrate
Usually,
tayo.
usually po after we install the equipment.
That's
we do
why,
calibration.
After that, the succeeding years,
Yes,
while
yearly
it's still
calibration.
you.
Repair and calibration.
Yes.
Accredited by the
yung-
Philippine
yung-
Accreditation.
Part of the
Pati yung mga
Yes.
Kapag
parts,
nag-warranty,
spare parts.
Yes.
Available.
Yes, also. The Bureau of Research Standard.
Pero
Calibration. As per the email last week, anong araw po, since we are accredited to PAB, i-endorse siya to the VP because of the accreditation, yung capabilities. Kasi nga, from the PAB, ISO IPC 17025, accredited calibration, parang they honor yung aming laboratory kasi we have in-house laboratory. Nagka-calibrate kami talaga ng mass balance tsaka steel room. So, yun, parang we have endorsement from DPWH din.
Or then we conduct seminar after the installation of the unit.
Nakakuha yung high-speed ray motion, yung pilot project po ng Central Office sa Calitaw in Japan. So, may mga cameras and wheel motion din po, mas higher yung technology.
Is niyo po, sir?
Sa Marikina po.
Ay, total innovative na siya. Nakita rin mo.
Any further matters that you wish to clarify?
Yes, sir. Question number one, sir. Yung, ano po meaning ng measurable tread distance? Yung clarification mo.
Measurable tread
Is there for
distance.
any specification for regarding this? Meron pa pang number, ano sir, one, from specification pang-apat.
Sa paata. Ba yung una?
Measurable po.
Wala dyan.
Tread distance of vehicle. Nakalagay kasi dyan, measurable tread distance of vehicle shall be 1.5 to 2.9 meters.
Bakit kaya ba niyang ano yan? Kaya ba niyang i-measure na na hindi 1 at a time?
Hindi siguro.
Yun
Siguro
lang
ito yung-
po
yung-
standard.
Yung width siguro ng
Standard.
yung magkasunod. Yung
Ano sa
oo, 1.5 to 2 meters. Dapat kaya nung way motion.
Okay. Yung distance ang gulong meaning nun.
Oo.
Hindi yung
entire.
yung entry and exit, yung approach.
Ganun yata.
Kasi di ba sa mga way may entry and exit. Kaya pinaklaro ko po.
Ngayon lang po ma-encounter to ba? Or meron sa other na pinag-encounter?
Yung area na yan, medyo hindi klaro. Kasi ang gamit ng iba, entry and exit. Ito yung ginamit ko kasi measurable tread distance.
Pero ang alam ko yung entry and exit din talaga.
Oo, entry and exit ito. Kasi ang standard, di ba, up to 3 meters para maging accurate yung motor axle.
Ginagawa.
Tama po yun.
Pero itong
What about the rest? Meron kayong experience na ganun?
Actually, sir, parang kung ako nagkakamali, sir, based po ito sa Department Order 140.
Oo nga.
Kaya si-request po ang yung
Kasi
medyo malalim na
pinapanood din namin
technical
sa central office.
information
Yeah,
na
kailangan kasi clear lang. Kasi kung entry approach ang meaning, okay lang kasi 3 meters naman talaga yon up to 3 entry and exit. Pero ito kasi parang tread distance of vehicle. Medyo di ba parang kung tama yung sabi nyo kanina, gulong ba or whatever. Kaya hindi ganun ka-clear lang.
Approach niya. Mas correct na approach yun.
Oo.
Kasi yung
Kasi
vibration
medyo kasi nakalagay entry, sa region 8, I think they use entry and exit Diba? Approach and exit nung ano. Tapos may another question ako dyan, sir.
Yes, please.
Dudugtungan ko na lang po. Yung project, kasi hindi nakalagay yung specific kung ano lang yung scope. Ito po ba yung installation lang or commissioning lang ng axle layer? So, paano po yung entry and exit? Kasi di ba, truck yan So, may construction yan. Kasama ba yung civil works or
Hindi na, installation lang. Kasi
installation
Oo.
lang? Okay. Yung para lang po klaro.
Sa atin na. Yung,
Yun na yung entry and exit.
approach.
Kami lang is, kung mananalo pala, yung mananalo is the installation at commissioning lang ng unit ng equipment. Okay.
Kaya pala nag-release lang. Yes, sir.
added lang, added information. So, yung in-secondary ko po yung information galing kay ma'am. So, specific lang po doon sa PIP, kung saan po i-place po namin yung aming platform, yung aming daily skill. No? Okay. Kasi yun lang po yung portion na yung kung gaano po kami kahaba o kalapad, yun lang po yung responsibility namin.
Kung provide din ng location map for the area of installation, kung meron ba kayong ganyan?
Yun, may
Para matingnan
Or,
nyo.
Oo. Ay,
Siguro
importante rin kasi yan sa
Nasaan yung mga
pricing.
mababa natin?
Paano location.
Para
Mobilization wise, di ba? Kung paano magiging mobilization namin diyan.
ito nilita?
Site visit ka. Service
Opo.
po.
Pwede naman po.
Pero lumabas na tayo. Sige, anyway, yan sa...
Para may idea din
tira.
kasi sir ng mobilization, mamaya
Ah,
may hirap
siguro yun.
paakyatin o
Ilang
whatever.
kilometers from here? Mga 10?
Mababa naman.
11.
Yabiagan with this.
Sa baba niya.
Hindi po.
Ililipat ko.
May ibang ano kasi.
may
So
ibang
yung
area.
construction po yan.
May
Ah, okay.
propose.
Eh, kasi dadagdag ko po sa mga sir. Hindi ako ng bawang
Hindi
naman yun. Kala ko yun.
Lilipat yun, may... Kaya nga inaayos pa yung...
Hindi pa.
From installation, hindi na namin cover yung mga FDP test, ng soil, whatever. Kasi magmamatter ang timbang pagka hindi ganun ka-stable ang mga soil yun.
Wala dun sa ano?
Wala bang ano?
Kasi di ba,
Kasama sa
actually, may isa kasama project na ganyan.
installation, pwedeng mag-test.
Yung FDP
Yan,
test, cover ba yan? Aming ba yan? Or inyo na?
Hindi, kasi pag pure,
Commissioning na.
Oo.
Di ba yung commissioning naman,
Ayun, tama.
ma-test yun kung okay yung what?
Oo.
Kasi kung ready na po yung area,
Yung pavement, yung paved
oo,
area.
pavement.
Oo.
Kasi kaya nga po tinatanong ko kung isasama ba namin yung FDT test nung paglalagyan ng ano.
Siguro, kasi
Oo.
once.
Kasi hindi rin nakalagay. Kaya
you have to
Oo.
kasi baka nulunod.
Oo.
Ay, dagdag na lang
Tsaka
natin
hindi
yung...
natin rin topic bang niya pagka
Dagdagan na lang po natin.
Para,
Again, stable yung area.
so, siyempre, di ba, we are talking here about warranty.
Yes.
Para,
Hindi pa
siyempre,
kayo
pag umano yun,
Minsan kasi ano sabihin, palpakin or yung pinaglagyan.
salamat ma'am, thank you. We appreciate very much.
Baka masisira yung equipment niyo.
Yes,
Sayang.
sayang talaga. Million.
Sa guarantee na gagana yun. So, siyempre,
Hindi, dali na lang natin para walang
mag-fail. Yung problema nyo.
Ano to, ilagay natin dun sa
Tapos yung
Commissioning.
calibration, sir,
Training
maging
and
specific
commissioning,
tayo.
meron.
Dapat accredited po na Philippine accreditation.
Ibang
din.
kasama.
Kasi yun ang kinikilala sa Pilipinas. Lahat ng laboratory na
Orientation.
nagka-calibrate should be accredited with
Training and
PAB or
commissioning.
DAI.
we will, ano, we will verify that. dun
Yes,
sa-
yes.
Sir. Kasi tama naman yung binanggit niya. Pero since yung construction yun, ito lang po yung area na kakainin ng area namin. Kung sabihin yung platform. Kung meaning, kung yung construction nun, ipipave na rin po yan ng DPWH. Kasi hindi naman yung portion na yun
Oo,
loose
sila-
eh. Talaga
sila-
isang kalsada yun. So, meaning,
Yes.
opo. So, nakaredy na yun, yung portion lang po namin ng matitira. Idadagdag ko lang po, since good na, although good po ito, during yung aming installation po, dahil may concreting po ito meron po mga required everything, i-require po ba kami ng mga material test, yung concrete, Islam test, everything. Kasi CBQS medyo may
So,
baka
dagdag ka mga...
sabihin namin, kailan ba naman yung ME rito, or isasabit ba namin yung Islam test, hindi din namin sa laboratory, and i-control po ba ng DP na nagko-comply kami sa standard para just in case mag-fail. Dahil sobra po ang excessive overloading, meron pong talaga problema. So pag nag-fail po ba yung platform namin, safe po ba kami kung guarantee ng material engineer na okay po yung aming
At least
that would be known within the warranty period.
okay.
Siyempre, pag nag-fail,
Responsibility
within the
namin.
warranty,
Responsibility ng contractor.
Pero siguro, Mr. Chair, maganda siguro rin na mag-assign tayo sa quality for the quality assurance.
Yes.
Number one, to ensure yung sub-base ay pasado kasi DP. Number two, yung specs sa bakal.
Yung gagamitin po ng supplier, anong installer.
Saka yung sa concrete.
okay.
Ayan. Kasi may
Parang complete test pa rin.
may design naman po, kada supplier
Siguro
siguro.
naman na
So,
plano.
may sasabit naman kami plano siguro to assist the assigned project engineer during his inspection.
So with that, sir, no, dagdagan ko na. 30 days lang kasi.
Correct, ma'am.
30 days, pag hindi po pumasa sa FDT, tagli kasi lalo ngayon nag-uulan. napakahirap mag-test ng FDT kasi I have one project like this. Tumagal kami because of season, panahon ng tag-ulan, hindi makakatest yung FDT kahit accredited pa ni DP yan. Di ba? Kasi yung panahon, yung 30 days po natin, baka magkulang with the testing. Yung sabi niyo nga po, yung quality ninyo, yung bakal, types of everything. Kami kasi yung last project ko with this, 60 days na po kinulang because of the panahon. Yung rainy season, every time, oo, installation lang yun. Oo, yung panahon kasi sir, 30 days kasi.
Then we will cross the bridge when we are
Well,
there.
Okay,
there.
tama.
Yan lang.
If the site will meet some hassle, reasonable naman yung ban.
Oo. Agree naman kayo for extension.
Yeah,
Just in case.
Just kung valid naman.
Oo, just valid please.
Issue lang sa time extension. Just in case na
Hindi ba natin pwedeng dagdagan agad 60, 90 days? Inassume ko na po ngayon ito 30 talagang not possible kung kasama yung testing kasi.
We will the back will discuss it, ma'am, in whatever would be, whatever would will come up. I-ano namin kagad siya, no, ma'am?
Apo.
So,
Ayun, so, with your permission, dagdagan ko na lang po dito yung ano. So, based naman po sa experience namin, ganda rin po yung putak namin lately. Yung po 30 days, notohan na lang po yun. Installation and clearing time. Po. Tapos, normally, hindi naman po kami nag-stock ng mga ganyan supply dahil hihira naman po yan. Hindi naman po araw-araw meron ganyan. So, nag-base po kami sa kung makakatanggap po kami. Consequently, makakuha kami ng pure. Ano. Saka pa lang po, yun po ang basic namin para po umorder sa abroad. Dahil hindi pa po yan available locally. Ngayon, yun po siguro na normally, yung imported goods is it takes around 60 to 90 days. Manufacturing shipping pa lang po yun. And in addition, Burman po ngayon, Burman. Meaning, clearan po namin, meron pong mga port congestion. Kung ipapadahan mo sa through sea vessels, pwede mo po kung mag-order in advance. Shorten pa ng konti, pero 60 or 90, baka lang po makikita nyo.
Curing pa lang nung 28 days na yun. Kaya kinukumpit ko yung 30 days not possible. Though yung kanya talagang valid din sa though advantage ako kasi ibang tax.
Ayun.
So, manufacturer ako in the Philippines. Yung parts ko lang ang galing abroad. So, currently, I have a stocks kasi dadating lang 2 units ko. Yun lang, ang kinumpit ko pa lang dyan, yung curing nung 20 days standard po ng curing eh. Kaya yung delivery nyo na 30, not possible po.
May pa nga po yung curing.
Oo.
Gagawa ka namin ng paraan yun para
Kahit po mag-speed kami ng 2 to 15 days, hindi po kaya yung 20 days.
Tinarget mo na nga ma'am ng 15 na lang yung curing.
Nakikinap pa lang ako sa curing.
So, sir, Mr. Chair, can we get now the kung anong standard? Ano ang suggestion niyo na number of days na
the suggestions are very very well. At i-refer din natin dun sa DRS. In my 100 years here in DPWH, this is our first time na mag-ano ng weighbridge.
kasi sir,
Sa first time. Kasi kami sa marami na kaming project ng weighbridge.
di ba ang red?
Before the war, nandiyan yung mga weighbridge na.
More than ilang years na yon, existing gamit pa rin nila, pinapakalibre.
So, yung first na issue kanina, i-ano natin yung measurable trade. What really is meant by that. And then, again, yung pag-conduct ng FDT, yung duration clear na.
Yes.
And then duration, whether 30 days is reasonable, based from their actual experience, most especially in the importation of the machinery that is needed to be installed. So, maybe, Sir Eli, tanungin natin yung mga technical people natin, and then these matters will be referred to to the central office. And then, if ever na makareceive tayo ng output, immediately, ano natin, i-bid bulletin natin. So, we encourage sila, no? Subaybayan lang natin, ma'am, yung ano, sir. Yung, para, ano. So, may mga iba pa po bang katanungan? And, ano,
Sir, gano'ng karami yung tao? 93. Ang average is
Oh,
na.
yung mga staff lang naman dun sa...
So, mga ilan-ilan lang.
Hindi, ako na rin magtanong sa inyo. Yung isang seat, ilan ba ang magmaman doon?
Yung sa existing namin, ang binigay nila kasi doon sa San Juanito, parang ilang shift yata sila, parang nagpa-train sila ng 20 plus eh. I do not know kung paano nila ginagamit yung tao. Siyempre, kanila na yun, di ba? Pero nagpa-train sila sa
I mean, in the
20 plus.
operation, siyempre may nagko-computer, may
Of course, kami naman sa operation din doon eh. Kaya hindi ko alam with you guys, DPWH,
Ilan ba tao
paano
nila dyan?
system niyo.
Madami.
Marami ano?
Oo, so dati total na.
So mga 30 ko naman lang.
Around
8 ba per shift?
More or less mga ganun din.
mga ganun din. Sige. Kasi, yun, kasama sa training. Tapos ilang session kayo ang training nito?
Pati yung supervisor.
Kayo kung gaano ba katagal nyo ma-transfer yung...
Kasi ang training, actually half day lang naman yun, sir.
So,
Kaya lang
operation lang,
nag-actual yung aming technical team. Yung actual training, ano tawag doon, actual testing talaga din sa tinuturuan. So, umaabot din siya ng maghapon. Kasi di ba, parang training lang ng half day.
Tapos mag-generate ng
Oo,
report.
after nung training mag-actual sila. So, inaabot siya ng maghapon.
Para makita yung mga accessories niya. kung
Yes,
compatible.
paano gamitin, installation, tapos trial and error kung paano nila i-check. Kaya umabot ng maghapon.
Kasi
Kung gusto lang nila ng isang session lang, sabay-sabay mo.
Ano yung testing natin? Kung walang available na truck na dadaan. Yung
Hindi,
mga truck
ano
mo,
ba yun?
yung truck natin na mga nandun. Agahan
Tapos
natin.
we bring naman our own truck. Kasi pag
Doon na
nag-calibrate,
sasakay.
oo, kasi may
Tama.
test weight kaming dala to test that.
Oh,
Andun na rin kasi
Halimbawa, kung 20, kaya lang medyo kasi mabigat, di ba? Kung 20 tons na test weight ang dala, hindi ko alam si technical team namin eh. They bring kasi test weight para makita ninyo yung accuracy. Tapos yung speed niya, kung paano na magiging tama yung accurate yung timbangan.
Kayo sir, meron din kayo.
Opo, meron po kayo.
Standard ka tayo, sir, may test weight talaga magdadala. Kung ilang kung
Wala
wala.
kami ang mag-provide.
bakit sinanong
Ang problema po ako ang magiging issue lang dyan yung yung pag-lift. Yung lifter, no, kasi mabigat po yun. Yung pag-lift, kasi nire-request namin yan minsan sa DP. Yung, ang tawag din yung pagbuhat. Malalaking test weight kasi. Kung magpo-full capacity sa, let's say, 30 tons, 40 tons, magpo-full capacity yan para ma-test yung accuracy nyo eh. Tsaka yung tibay talaga
Ay, meron talaga silang ano.
Opo.
Isang sa maximum.
So yun lang naman. Kaya inaabot siya ng gano'n, ng maghapon. Pa-testing.
Madaliin.
Huwag na
Basta ang importante
Basta training lang naman the half day yan eh. Yung half day niyan usually, actual.
Yung actual.
Kasama na yung demonstration.
Malalang typhoon.
Any motion from the members of the Base and Rights Committee? There being no other matters to discuss.
Mr. Chair, I move for having heard that there is no more matters to discuss, I move for the adjournment of this pre-bid conference.
Second.
There being no other matters to be discussed, and has been moved and seconded, the pre-bid conference for project 25GP000120 is hereby officially adjourned. Again, thank you very much for coming before your parts.